Hello everyone, Andrea here from Rainbow Kiss TV. Today I will show you how to easily draw Glamrock Chica. I start by drawing her beak, lips and mouth, open mouth. Continue with the eyes, with big curve drawing here. And now I make the eyelid. Eyelashes for both eyes. Eyebrows. And I will add detail here on the eye. Look like makeup. Draw the head and make a pretty bow on top of the head. Draw the head and draw her hair. 3 pieces. And I will add triangle effects on the cheeks, both of them. And I'll try her earrings at eye level. Okay, head is ready. Continue with the body. First I draw the neck. Leave some space here for the arms. I'm drawing her hips now. Continue with the legs. And feet. It's time to draw the shoulders and of course the arms and hands. I'll start by drawing the right hand. And I'll continue with the left one. Hand will be open and she will be showing her fingers. Okay, now I do the fingers. And I will draw the bracelets on the both hands. And now I'll add some details for the legs. Some stripes. And the leopard pattern. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.